So, Ruda Islamic water for sale. Okay, you're not sure. Can you account near my home? You account business no water no. And I'm watching there.
Okay, provision.
This vegetables, everything used for soup and domestic.
Oh, okay. And you're turning how? They say when you shop, there's so much there.
Yes,
Spaghetti, Indomie, ice cream. We have ice cream, so and that is it's okay. You see, here is in Ghana we say a high day. My high nikanika, okay? That's what we call it in Ghana. Called nikanika, which means machine, a place where you mill. It's a miller factory. Let's say a miller factory. So this is supposed to be for tomatoes blending. Instead of the commercial one, this is where they come to use to blend their tomatoes. But it's not working at the moment. Anyways, this is for fufu. So those who don't want pampine, okay? Who don't want to pound it like the way with the Maya want it, you come to here and they put the fufu in the plantain and cassava in there and mix it for you. And then this is at the moment, this is Amelia's main business. Amelia's main business is here. So this morning, I came here. You can see they finished mine. This is for the chickens. This is the plantain. As you remember, I did the plantain flour, and the cassava flour is over there. So this is the lady. She wants to be recorded to give her the opportunity to get more customers in here. That's why I'm doing this video. So with her full permission, there she is, Amelia Hajia. Amelia Hajia Nikanika. So that is her name, Hajia Nikanika. Hajia, are you funny away?
Your Japan Motors transformer, university transformer.
Honey, is here. It is to be free.
Medina, Wakasa Oba Lixan. These are university transformer. We saw on all business agent Kanika on Bachelor, passport or why not Ubusan is Amelia Gianica or Bachelor.
Bicycle run. But bicycle now repair bicycle. Almost a namno, almost a namno. You okay. Okay, send you will see. Near Fassi. Ultimate Fahama. Dana may right, you know, the best go say, and I'm a certain. Aye, it's a honor minimum at the why I came here, how I saw this place was I got lost basically, and I ended up here, I think on Tuesday. So I saw this machine. I said, I will come here to do my mailing here. So that's why we are here today. And Amelia says she needs customers. Amelia. That is the law. The first thing that we do when I was coming in, I know you can see, I look so beautiful. Look, I am the one with the white, and then Amelia, as if she wasn't here, but we were all here. Look, there. When you come in, no slippers, no shoes, nothing. You see, that's the son. He got no shoes on. Nobody comes here with shoes. And this is a factory. That is my slippers. That's my slippers. Okay? So you come in, you remove your you remove your slippers, and then you come in. And then Amelia, then now your face. Then now your face will be baha so be yama. Then now your face.
Oba na sa oba yema ebro ambeti ma ya mama. Na so wo kita ebro eni mole. Ebro mole mbe ya mole face no. Ansa na ma yema ebro anya sa ebe se wa ade no. Ani ti me ya mole ne face ansa na ma yam abro no dry one.
Ah, okay.
Me ya wo ni so soya. Omo de ye wo ni soya na omo de ye bia no ti se we soya for na omo de duane chemu nso no. Soya no me yam eno nso. Me yam bibia omo for na se omo de ba me yam.
To yes bibia wo yam.
Kati ni na me yam.
Wo yam, wo de machine we ya na yam.
Machine we na me de.
Nia machine ya wo de ye dry one and one na wo de ye wet.
Na so wo de ba. Me be yi mu ama. Ni ma sese mo fine, ni ma pepa mo ansana. Ma yama muye nso a, ni ma sa bie mo, ni ma sese mo fine ansana ma fixi.
Today na wo ye no first.
The what they when soya ba me be yi mu ansana ma yama.
So ya no.
The oma fo no.
Oh, ye wani ayafo.
Wo de oma fo.
Okay, nya nya me de ba ye bi.
De be nya de ba ye bi. Na so wo de kati enso ba. Me be yi mu. Me bie we ni nyina. Me bie we ni nyina ma yi inside ni na ma pepa inside no ansana. Ma yama we nso na ma sa bie no wa yi mu ni nyina ansana ma sa fixi.
Okay. Basically what Amelia is saying is this machine operates on wet millet, wet products, wet cassava or wet, no, we don't do wet cassava. No, you do
Cassava.
Okay.
So you dry na me yam.
Okay, so anything, food product, she will mail it for you. So when you bring them and it's dry, she will do the wet first. Remove this top from here after finishing the wet one before doing the wet the dry one. Otherwise, the machine will be so hot, it will not function properly. So the wet one first and the dry one second, right?
Yes.
Until Amelia is here, she's selling herself. She's telling you, come and do your business with Amelia. Again, what's the name for Mumra?
The Lakeside Japan Motors, the University Transformer.
Lakeside Japan Motors.
University Transformer.
University Transformer. There is a guy who do bicycle repairs. You get to the main road and you're looking for Amelia Nikanika. Hajia Nikanika. Everybody knows who she is. What's your number? What's your woman number is saying?
0249 871711.
Second be
0249 871711.
and this is Ghana number. So remember, only you can contact Amelia only when you are in Ghana, living around Medina, Adenta, Ashalbuche, or Boche, and then you can come and do your business with Amelia. Amelia, that's a
I didn't tell me in person, Pabuan say, Ura Hanomuseno. Order Pabua pa, and Rianinti, and Nuntin, I mean, Pabua, as you go for wit master, and me bra. If you go back to my sister, I had a need to Miss Ola, make you fine.
And that is the reason why Miss Mibaha. This place is very neat compared to where I have been before. When I was passing and I saw how neat this place is, as she's saying, she doesn't allow anybody to come here with slippers, no shoes or slippers. You can see, look at me, look at my feet there. The carrot feet, Amelia's feet. We are all here, but look at her feet. Nothing on it. It's me. She's expert. That's why she got no deaths on her feet. For me, I'm new. Look at my feet. is there. It's all whitish with cassava flour. Okay. Amelia. Na nneɛma wei so na wotɔn ɔno anuane tɔn ana?
Baby, you need a little.
Ɔno aduane.
Yeah, cocoa and Afriana, Yebeja, Nasu, will be high and the high.
I'm just asking her what she used these for because they look like commercial properties that they usually use it for cooking. And then she says she used to do it, but now she rent it out. If someone who want to rent these utensils for party or event, she will rent them to you. Yes, as usual, you see, black people, we don't do one thing. We do so many things. She can do you your shito, sobolo, and ice cream. So she does a lot of things. Basically, any food. Tiezafi. Ayoyo. Na dabe na aye tiezafi. And you just will be beka say you be man. No aye tiezafi ne. Okay. So yeah, ayo tiezafi de ka we be to de ankada me ba be dibi, but when you be to na tinu me when you wunya me woni kanika. Okay. Yeah, she sells all food products, cooked food. That is not an option. If you want her to cook for you, she will cook and bring it to you, or you come and pick it up. These are all her resources for it, which is very good because she already got the machine to mill it, so everything can be done in this place. Okay. So, Amelia, anything that Bibi will be a besoka? Asa. Unomba ni safa. So fine. Fufu. I have to come and see how you do the fufu. Tikrofo bapa be ye fufu no. First no. Ese ama for ye fufu ayayam. So okay. Omontama. Okay. I'm saying me who say be one baby. What now does it say? 50 years ago. Oh. Hajia Amelia, she and her family has been living here for 15 years. So okay. Amelia, ni awo planning na meet Mrs. Ako. Me nkoko no ne me. You see, these are all mine. The one that's the waste, the one that dropped. So I'm just asking her if I could take it to give it to my chickens. Okay, guys, thank you very much. We will come and see how Amelia is doing her fufu. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.